Hello everyone! Today we are going to show you how to use Yuzzit effectively for managing and hosting your media. Whether you are dealing with a few files or a massive collection, Yuzzit can simplify the process. Let's begin.
To begin, you can access your library directly by selecting Library from the menu above. Here you will find all your videos, images, GIFs, and audio files, whether imported or clipped directly from your live stream. Organizing your media is essential for better efficiency. The first step is to assign clear titles and descriptions to each piece of media, making them easy to find later. Yuzzit allows you to create subfolders to better organize your media. To create a subfolder, click on the Create Subfolders button at the top of your screen. If you want to import files directly into a specific folder, select Upload, and the selected folder will be set as the destination for your import. The platform supports multiple file selection, allowing up to 20 media files to be selected at once. Deleting files in bulk is possible with a single click on the Delete button. Also, files and folders can be organized effortlessly with drag-and-drop functionality, and multi-selection action also include adding and removing files from folders in just a few clicks, simplifying content management. Finding media files is made simple with the search function. Entering the file name brings up results instantly. If the exact name is unknown, multiple filtering options help refine the search. Filtering by date allows media to be located based on the import or live clip date. The source filter differentiates between media captured from livestream and those imported manually. Destination files categorize media according to where it has been shared. The format filters help refine results by selecting videos, images, animations, audio, or GIFs. For Teams environment, the user filter provides access to media created by specific team members. The validation filter lets you sort your media by review status, and you can easily update the status by selecting a media file and choosing the appropriate option from the validation drop-down in the Details panel. The interface is designed for a smooth and intuitive user experience. The Media Details bar adapts dynamically to the screen, displaying as a pop-up or a sidebar and disappearing when not needed to maximize content display. Media editing is integrated into the platform. By selecting the media file and clicking on Customize, a suite of editing tools become available. Each version created is saved and easily accessible by choosing the version at the top of the preview of the media, which allows you to compare different versions to choose the best one. Let's zoom in to have our pop-up details bar again. When you select a video, Yuzzit provides a detailed view where you can see the source, quality, duration, whether it has subtitles, and where it has been posted. This feature ensures you have all the necessary information about your videos at a glance. Additionally, the Editing Live feature is a significant enhancement. By selecting a video and clicking on the Editing Live, you can access the original live stream timeline. This allows for reclipping your videos to include additional frames or sections you might have missed initially. And for common editing tasks like trimming videos, the Trim tools is an asset. In just a few clicks, you can remove unwanted parts and refine sequences to highlight the key message of your videos. Also, a complete transcript of any videos can be retrieved directly from the Trim window, making it easier to generate text, summaries, or articles. Once your media is ready, you can download it, share it with a direct link so others can access it without any hassle, or post it directly and simultaneously to multiple social media and other platforms right from Yuzzit. You can see more details about the posting port in our tutorial on how to post videos from Yuzzit.
That's all for our tutorial on using Yuzzit to manage your media and hosting your videos. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.